E for environment. Our environment nourishes life on this planet. The natural balance of our environment is getting disturbed because of pollution, deforestation, pollution pressure, and many other factors. We should not pollute and damage our environment through our activities. We should do our best to conserve, protect, and nurture our environment. This will save our planet and make it friendlier place to live in. For that, we all need to manage our waste in a rightful manner. First of all, we need to understand the types of waste. Types of waste. All of us generate huge amounts of waste every day. The waste that we generate are divided into two categories: biodegradable waste versus non-biodegradable waste. Biodegradable waste includes all the leftovers from the kitchen, like peels of vegetables and fruits, waste papers, wood, and many more. Whereas non-biodegradable waste includes plastic bags, glass bottles, and cans. Biodegradable waste are the materials that can be composed by microorganisms such as bacteria, enzymes, and fungus. Whereas non-biodegradable are the objects that cannot be decomposed into organic and environmentally safe waste products. These non-biodegradable waste take many years to decompose. They do not mix with soil and remain in the environment for a very long time. Waste management. The practice of collecting, treating, and disposing waste in order to protect the environment is called waste management. Let us learn some of the ways to manage the waste. Landfills. Landfills is the most popular method of waste disposal. The landfills are found in the outskirts of a city. In this method, the deep ditches are dug and waste is dumped in them. When these ditches are full, they are covered with soil. In some places, parks and gardens are built over these ditches. Open dumping. In open dumping, the waste is first loaded in trucks, then the trucks are taken away from towns and cities and are dumped in the open. Disposing waste in the open pollutes the environment. Burning. In this method, the solid waste is collected at one place and then burned at high temperatures, due to which the chemicals and other poisonous waste are burned in large furnaces. This method is very harmful and causes air pollution. Composting. Composting is one of the best way to manage waste, as in this process, organic waste from kitchens and gardens is put in pits or bin. This turns into compost, a nutrient-rich food for the plants. Compost is used as manure by farmers. Crops which are grown by using natural manure are called organic food. These are healthier than the crops which use chemical fertilizers. That is why composting is one of the easiest and safest methods of the waste disposal. Overall, the most effective method of waste management is to produce less waste and find ways to recycle and reuse it. For that, it is very important to follow all the 3 R's, that is, reuse, reduce, and recycle. Reusing means using the things again for the original purpose or for the similar purpose, whereas recycling is the process of producing a new product from used or waste material. And reduce means to avoid or lesser the use of products that harms our environment.